In the land of enchantment and magic, there existed a breathtaking place known as the Glow Waterfall. The waterfall sparkled like a million diamonds under the radiant sun. At the heart of this mystical place resided a young princess named Princess Zahra. Princess Zahra was no ordinary princess. She had a heart as pure as the glowing waters and a spirit as brave as a lion. She spent most of her time in the company of her best friend, a magnificent unicorn. Zahra's life took a drastic turn when tragedy struck her kingdom. The king and queen, her beloved parents, passed away in a terrible accident, leaving Zahra to rule over her people at a very young age. As if this wasn't challenging enough, a neighboring kingdom declared war on Zahra's land, threatening the peace and safety of her kingdom. Faced with this immense challenge, and with a determined heart, she gathered her army to defend her kingdom against the impending threat. Leading her troops with grace and bravery, Zahra prepared for the battle ahead. On the other side of the border, the prince of the opposing kingdom found himself conflicted. He was a kind hearted soul which abhorred the idea of war and bloodshed. Deep down, he knew that his father, the king, was the true instigator of the conflict, driven by greed and power. As the two armies clashed on the battlefield, Princess Zahra stood tall with pride and courage. Her purity, virtue, and bravery shone like a beacon, captivating not just her own soldiers but also the eyes of the prince from the enemy kingdom. He was struck by Zahra's unwavering spirit and inner strength. In the midst of chaos and conflict, a flicker of hope emerged. The prince, moved by Zahra's resolve, made a bold decision. He defied his father's commands and sent a proposal of peace to Princess Zahra, hoping to end the senseless war and unite their kingdoms in harmony. Overjoyed by this unexpected turn of events, Princess Zahra accepted the prince's proposal. The glow of waterfalls seemed to shine ever brighter that day. And so, Princess Zahra and the kind hearted prince lived happily ever after, ruling their kingdoms with wisdom and fairness. And their story of bravery and unity became a timeless tale of hope and inspiration for generations to come.